Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Samsung oven not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step, you have to check the power supply. For this purpose, you have to ensure the oven is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Check the circuit breaker and test the outlet with another device. Number 2, inspect the oven's control panel. Press any buttons on the control panel to check if they respond. Reset the oven by pressing the reset or cancel button. Number 3, examine the oven's timer. Test the oven timer settings to ensure the correct time is set. If unresponsive, the timer may need to be replaced. Number 4, inspect the heating elements. For this purpose, you have to unplug and turn off the oven. Inspect both the bake and broil heating elements for visible damage. Test them with a multimeter for continuity. Number 5, check the oven's thermostat. For this purpose, you have to turn off and unplug the oven. Test the thermostat with a multimeter for continuity. Replace if defective. Number 6, inspect the high limit thermostat. For this purpose, you have to unplug and turn off the oven. Test the high limit thermostat for continuity. Replace if necessary. Check the oven fuses. Inspect the fuses for any visible damage. If the fuses are blown, replace them with fuses of the correct specification. Ensure proper mode selection. For this purpose, you have to verify that you have selected the correct cooking mode and adjust the temperature accordingly. Inspect the igniter. For this purpose, you have to turn off the gas and unplug the oven. Inspect the igniter for visible damage. Test with the multimeter for continuity. Contact Samsung support. If the issue persists, contact Samsung support for further assistance. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.